Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting the Rav4 navigation now. Put the key to accessory or press the power so the infotainment wakes. Pair your phone by Bluetooth or plug in USB to enable live traffic and contact sync. This improves routing and ETA accuracy. Once paired, accept prompts for location and data sharing, then pick your map preferences, north up versus heading up, so the map behaves how you expect. Make sure the vehicle has a clear dash view for GPS signal, and move to entering a tap NAV and choose address, POI, or recent. Typing is fine, but voice is faster. Press the steering wheel voice button and speak the full address, intersection, or place name, say city and state for precision. After the system finds matches, pick one, then inspect route options. Avoid tolls, avoid highways, or choose fastest versus shortest. Once you select, press go, the system will calculate and show turn by turn. Make sure lane guidance and speed limit display are enabled in settings for safer turns and timing. Follow the turn-by-turn prompts and watch the lane guidance near upcoming junctions. You can split the screen to keep maps with media or backup camera. If you miss a turn, the system recalculates automatically. Stay calm and it will reroute. If you need a big change, pull over safely before reprogramming. One key troubleshooting tip. If GPS signal drops, check for a clear sky view, reboot the infotainment system, and toggle your phone's Bluetooth or GPS. That resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.